So hey everyone, this is another eBay find. You may have started to notice a pattern that I quite like finding interesting second-hand bits of camera equipment, and this is no exception. So this is a monster of a Gitzo tripod head. Pretty battered. This was only 10 quid, which I thought was reasonable. Absolutely not worth any more than that, that's for sure. So it's the three-way head, so it has a adjuster for forward tilts, and then one on the side for the that way, and then on the bottom there to do a pan. So I got this because I have also previously managed to get hold of a pretty similar kind of vintage of Gitzo tripod legs that I had no head for, that someone gave to me. It's had a bit of a repair there, look, you can see. I think that is an addition. How they managed to break it, God knows. Yeah, so I was looking for a set of, a head to go with that set of legs. And this looked like a pretty good option, really. And it's for this camera and for use predominantly in the studio. So I have, for quite a long time now, had medium format film camera. This is the Mamiya 645. Also bought secondhand, pretty good condition. One film back. I've got about 4 lenses now. This is a 55. I've got a 45, an 80, and a 150, I think. So yeah, it's a pretty decent medium format setup. And I wanted to use it in a studio setting, and I thought it would be quite handy to have a kind of heavy tripod that I could set it up on. So with a bit of luck, this should fit quite nicely on here. A bit tricky to line it up, but there we go. There we go. So yeah, somehow the tripod head actually manages to make the camera seem small, which is quite an achievement, really. So yeah, I think that'll be pretty good, really, for use in the studio on those legs, big heavy legs. Should be able to set it up quite nicely. So I'm looking forward to trying that out. I might do a video about this camera at some point in the future. I think that there's a bit of interest still in medium format film cameras, for good reason. They're a great system, take really nice pictures. And yeah, so I might do that, and maybe even show a video of the whole thing assembled. But yeah, there we go. That's it for now. Quite happy with that. It's pretty good value for money, I think, and should have lots of fun. Okay, thanks for watching. So I figured I'd just quickly put this at the end, which is the full tripod assembly. So there's the head there that was from eBay, and then the tripod legs. It's a pretty decent set of Gitzo legs, actually. Makes for a very solid platform for this camera at very little cost. That's pretty good. Yeah, quite happy with that. Should be able to get some good photographs, and the idea for this would be kind of, rather than a portable, it's not portable, it's pretty heavy, but it's a stable platform maybe for studio work, which I think it'll do really well.